Bruh, looks like I got stuck. Hawaiian style, bruh. In the sand, on the beach, with no sight of any type of civilization nearby at all. Not just joking, I sit right on the roadside here. Ukumahame, Maui, on your way down to Lahaina side. But what we're doing here today is showing you how to do solo recoveries and proper snatch stretch recoveries. Myself and my brother Daryl here, gonna show you how to do it. Alright. So all we got here is some cheap traction boards, something every off-roader should have. Okay, you can use this for mud and most popular sand. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use this and why you don't need the most expensive ones. So, get on the way. What you want to do first is clear the front of the tires that are stuck. My truck is open diff all around, so that would be this time front driver tire, back passenger tire. Let's get to work. As you can see inside, I didn't just dig in front of the tire, but I got kind of underneath, which is what you want to do for maximum traction. Australians will tell you to do this for all 4 tires. I think doing it on the 2 tires that doesn't have traction is enough. So, what a lot of people don't know is when you do traction board recoveries, you don't just get it under the tire and you just pedal to the metal and go for it, you shoot it. That is not what you do. What you want to do is ease your way out of the hole, allow the boards to actually get underneath the tires that don't have traction in order to lift it out of the hole and out of trouble. Let me show you how it's done. 4 high, on drive, and just feather the pedal. That's how you do it, folks. So, back in the day, what my father and all those old school guys used to do, they used to use things like tree branches, you know, anything they can find, even as far as your vehicle floor mats. They used to dig that little hole, stick it in front, and have themselves pulled out. They went as far as even using palm tree leaves. Okay? Same exact technique. You gotta dig underneath those tires, not gas it, because you won't get traction that way. What you do is ease your way out of that hole. And that's why you don't need the most expensive ones. 73 bucks for the pair on Amazon. Yeah, baby. Wallow. Bro, you're the reason why I get stuck, bro. Huh? 90% of the time, you will get stuck from your own stupid actions. That's true, but that's not the point. I gotta get out of this. You gonna help me out? Well, what tools we get? Rocks, sand. We can use rocks and sand, or a traction board, old school traction board. Or, oh bro, what is this? Oh, miracles. Bruh, I don't know who left this here for us, but they did the right thing. They gave us an equalizing strap, your basic tow strap, which says 13,000 pounds. You look about that much. And some 10,000 pound shackles. Am I back in this? Yeah. Okay. We'll get this set up and you guys catch us when we're done. Alright, so we got it hooked up. Daryl's using a pin to hold the strap to his truck. I'm using your regular tow hook, which is not rated for tugging, by the way. We're not gonna tug or yank me out here. We're gonna do the smart way, gain tension, and the back person, the person who is stuck, does not just hold the brakes and wait for the person to go. He doesn't put it on neutral and just wait for him to get pulled out. No, that's making your friend here, or in this case my brother, work even harder and possibly damage his vehicle. Well, my job as the back person is to hold my throttle down, let those tires spin, And as soon as he gets me enough traction, I get to pull myself out of there. And he's just pulling my truck forward to make sure I get some traction. That's all he's doing. That's his only job. Your job as a person who's stuck is to hook up your vehicle and to keep on that throttle until you're out of that hole. I'll show you how it's done. That right there was your basic snatch strap recovery. No yanking, none of that stuff. Anytime you use kinetic energy to pull the guy out, it needs to have some type of suction on the other end to ensure the vehicle is really, really stuck. And if there is no suction, like you wouldn't have on sand, what you want to just give them just the right amount of traction for them to get themselves out. And use straps, guys. Be smart, use straps. If they things snap, they give you a bruised face, maybe break your windshield. But if you use chains, oh man, feel sorry for you. You end up looking like me afterwards. All right.